My dear friends, once I went to Calcutta and there is a temple there, Kali temple, and lot of blood is just poured. Goats and other animals are cut, cocks, and the whole temple, white marble, has become red. We have just heard that you shall love your neighbor as yourself. There is no other commandment greater than these. And later on, it is said, then all whole burnt offerings and sacrifices, it's much greater. My dear friends, yes, who is God? We are given this definition when we were young. God is a spirit with all perfections, and no imperfection is found in him. We are imperfect. God is full of perfection. As we are imperfect, we cannot see him because his spirit, we are in our body. But one day we are assured that we will see him if we live a very good life in this world. When Jesus met that Samaritan woman at the well, she said to Jesus, yes, you Jews believe that he is in Jerusalem, that he is found in Jerusalem. We believe that he is on this mountain of Gerizim. And Jesus tells that woman, a time will come, and the time is not far, very near, and people will not worship him neither in Jerusalem nor in Gerizim. They will worship him in spirit, because he is a spirit. Yes, my dear friends, Jesus says, love yourself, love your neighbor as yourself. Don't we love ourselves? When we are sick, don't we go to the doctor? When we are hungry, don't we eat? Do we live naked? Don't we dress? So don't we have a shelter? Equally, let us think that our neighbor also have these needs. Let us be meek and humble. Let us be loving towards these people who don't have all these needs to be addressed.